Howdy there, folks. This is the Collector 6819 coming back at you with another box break of 2012-2013 Panini Contenders. As you can see on here, it states that there are 4 autographs in here, with 3 of them being rookie autos. So, let's see who we get in our box. I'm most likely going to split this into a couple of videos, so that's if I can get the box open. A wonderful packaging, I tell you. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's the first break here for 2013 Panini Contenders for the fully packed plus the mini. So let's see here. It's just all regular copies. One, pack 1. Andre Iguodala, Maurice, Spike Boy, Decor, Tim Duncan, pretty cool. Tim Duncan, just won the drive next season, so that was nice. But Greg Monroe, and Greg Monroe. Okay, we've got Stephen Jackson, we've got James, That's the Tim Duncan's pretty good. Tim Duncan's first back. That was the rookie members. We have Brandon Rush. We have Metro Okafor. Okay, we've got Ray Allen, Drew Holiday. We have a die cut of Andre Drummond, Rookie of the Year Contenders, a Tyreek Evans, and a J.J. Redick. Okay, we've got a Nicholas Batum, a Luke Babbitt, Bob McAdoo, rookie remembrance, Carl Landry, Tony Douglas. Ricky Rubio, Kevin Love, Rick Smith, Legendary Contenders, Andrew Bynum, Darren Williams. Andre Miller, Mario Chalmers, Earl Monroe, rookie remembrance, Grant Hill, Brandon Roy. Stephen Curry, Landry Fields, Elton Brand, Tyrus Thomas. Got 3 more packs in this break, or part 1 of the break. Rashard Lewis, Josh Smith, Jeremy Lamb, rookie auto, which is pretty cool. David West. C.J. Watson. Nick Young. John Salmons. A Pete Maravich, Legendary Contenders. Blake Griffin, Statistical Contenders. Evan Turner. Andrew Bogut. Roy Hibbert. Kevin Garnett. Omir Asik. Demir Cousins. Tabo Cephalosha. So our big hit in this part 1 was a Jeremy Lamb autograph rookie. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time.